Let's talk about how to transcribe audio to text automatically. Hi, Oyankuru here once again with another lesson with Subly. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically transcribe audio to text, and seriously, no skills are needed. Now, this can be done for audio or video files, but today we're really going to be getting into the audio side of things. And this is particularly great to know if you're a podcaster or you're looking to get through a lot of interviews or even meeting notes. And it's great for repurposing or getting more out of your content. So as always, let's get into it. So to automatically transcribe your audio, we'll be using a platform called Subly. Subly is really great for getting accurate transcripts literally within minutes. So if you've already got an account, head to getsubly.com to log in, but if not, head to the site and sign up for the pro account, as you'll need the pro account to access some of these features. So of course, what you need to do is hit upload a file. I'm going to be changing the language, so English, Great Britain. So you can do that, of course, under the language spoken. And then, of course, you can change the file name once you've uploaded it. So select file from computer. I'm going to upload this audio snippet here. As you can see, it's doing this thing. Upload and transcribe. Takes literally seconds, which is absolutely beautiful. And of course, you know what time it is. It's time for me to grab a cuppa. Once Subly is finished subtitling your audio snippet, you're going to get this view. So you can see here on the left-hand side all of your subtitles. And the view may be slightly different to what you've previously seen in the other videos. And this is because we're playing around with an audio piece, an audio snippet. So of course, listen to your audio back, ensure that everything makes sense, make any needed adjustments to this piece of text here, along with the timestamps. Once you're happy with it, hit download on the top right hand corner, and you can export it in 3 options. As it's audio, you don't get the opportunity to, of course, download a video in addition to the subtitles being on the video, but this, you're downloading the actual subtitling file, and these are the 3 options you have: SRT, VTT, or text. SRT is great because it will obviously contain the tweaks that you've made to your subtitles, and text is great because you can use this to contribute, let's just say, to your social media post itself when it comes to writing out that caption. Once you've selected your option, you would hit download. So what's really great about exporting in SRT or text files is the repurposing potential. It's awesome. With SRT file exports, you can ensure that they're styled subtitles and they show up on your social media platforms like LinkedIn or even YouTube. And I love that you can adjust your timestamp straight in the editor. So when you're uploading to YouTube, it's a super quick process to add a timestamp timeline in your video description for those who want to find the relevant part within that video when they're watching your content. This leads on really nicely into why I love text files. Exporting transcribed text means I save time of writing social media descriptions, and plus when I adapt what I've said in the video as a description, especially in YouTube, it really improves the SEO of my videos. Other ways text files can come in handy is repurposing for blog posts, Twitter threads, sending out meeting notes, summarizing Zoom meetings and lessons, and so much more. And of course, the list could go on. Subly takes it one step further because let's just say you want to translate these subtitles into a completely different language. And you can do that by hitting the translation feature here and then hitting create translation. You then have 45 languages to pick from, which is awesome. I wish I could speak more than one language, but unfortunately I can only speak English. But let's just pick Spanish. So let's go to Spanish. There we go. So Spanish, once you've selected the language of your choice, you will then hit translate. Of course, it's highlighting that's going to remove minutes by doing this. You say translate now. Once that's done, you're going to get a view that looks something like this. So you have English, Great Britain on the left-hand side. You've already made your tweaks. Everything sounds great. You're then going to cross-reference that to, of course, assuming you can speak Spanish or whatever language you may have chosen, or you have a friend that can speak the language, or alternatively, you're using Google Translate to double-check everything is 100% okay. Once you've confirmed and you're happy with it, you will then go ahead and follow the same export procedure by hitting download on the top right hand corner, but this time select the language you wish to export, which is going to be Spanish in this case, and again exporting an SRT file for your video when uploading to LinkedIn or even YouTube, and you would hit download. And that's pretty much it. We've covered how you can automatically transcribe your audio files into text and how you can repurpose your transcripts with additional text files, plus touch a little on how to automatically translate your transcripts within minutes, and really showing you how easy your process should be. As always, if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Just pop them down in the comment section below and we'll try our best to help you out in the meantime. But if you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, as always, keep creating.